Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see to be error, sorry but something went wrong, please try again. So Instagram message something went wrong, how you can fix it. So mostly it happened because you have problems with your internet connection, so just try to close your Instagram app and open again, and if it doesn't help you, just try to update your Instagram. Just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. And if it doesn't help you, just try to fix it in another way. So just check your internet connection, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn off mobile data and turn on again. Turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And also just find general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.